Visual Studio theme. Open Visual Studio Community. Visual Studio has three color themes: blue, dark, and light. For me, I prefer to use the dark theme with dark window backgrounds and light text. To switch themes, in the Tools menu, select Options to display the Options dialog. In the left column, select Environment. Select the color theme you wish to use. Let's try to choose the blue theme to see the changes. Click OK and wait until it changes. As you see, colors has changed to blue. So I will go back and choose the dark theme. That's it. Go ahead and try your favorite theme.